What we're going to do next is to just improve a little bit on the post-event sequence, and also to explore some other options for event registration, because there is that problem for this particular campaign that every time you want to change the event, you actually have to change quite a few content, right? First is the landing page, where you need to change all these details, right? And then you need to go into the campaign merge fields to actually change the merge field values. So that's kind of tedious, right? So is there any other better way to do it? And also at the same time, imagine that you have generated a list of attendees for this event that you will have to manually select who are those that attended and not attended and apply a tag. So maybe there is a better way to do this, right? So using +this or dynamic syncs plugins, we can achieve that automation in registration, right? So let's start with some minor adjustments to the post event sequence. After the attendees have attended the event and being tagged as attended, right? Event attended, to send the feedback. We want the feedback to be sent out to the participants with a survey. So I've created the survey using a Net Promoter Score template from SurveyMonkey, and the web link is easily copied and put into the email. So thanks for participation and help us with the survey. Hi John, I think you might like a workshop. So help us to improve it by giving us feedback here at the survey. Of course, here we might want a link to add a tag to see if they have actually clicked the NPS survey. So maybe wait after 3 days, then send another survey reminder. And this then would not work, because if we have the link click goal object, where we allow the participant to actually in the event, in the feedback emails, when they click the link on the NPS survey, they no longer have to you no longer have oops, I used the wrong campaign. Sometimes happens, right? It should be here, right? Okay, so if they have clicked the survey at any point of time, then it will launch this sequence. So really I actually wanted the 1 month check and the check back on the other end, so it should be here. So maybe there will be occasions that you want to do such things and change and break up your sequences. Well, instead of having to craft it all over again, you can do this. You can copy from campaign, automate event registration and follow-up, send feedback. That is the sequence. Ta-da! The whole sequence has been ported over. That really saves you a lot of time. So just delete away the items that you don't really want, and finish up on the check back and reminders. Right, this looks like a better sequence right now, and we should tidy up this absent tag. And possibly give it a category. Fantastic. That's a feature that Infusionsoft just added. They're always improving the software. That's fantastic. Okay, and of course follow up on some way to get them to participate in the next one. So that's about it for the event registration and post-event sequence. Now Infusionsoft has its limitations. It's not a software that is totally perfect. So in event registration, we actually can find some alternatives, that is dynamic sync and +this.